Are you craving something sweet but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? Look no further. Today we're sharing some irresistible desserts that can be made with just 4 simple ingredients. First up, we have a classic favorite, chocolate chip cookies. All you need is butter, sugar, flour, and of course, chocolate chips. Mix it all together, pop them in the oven, and in no time you'll have warm, gooey cookies that will satisfy any sweet tooth. Next, let's talk about a creamy and decadent dessert. No-bake cheesecake. Cream cheese, condensed milk, vanilla extract, and graham crackers are all you need to whip up this delicious treat. Simply mix, chill, and enjoy a slice of heaven. For our final dessert, we have a fruity option, strawberry shortcake. Grab some pound cake, fresh strawberries, whipped cream, and a sprinkle of sugar. Layer them together for a dessert that's perfect for any occasion. With just 4 ingredients, you can create these mouth-watering desserts that are sure to impress your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious recipes.